Welcome to TrackTreads training. To perform inspections on a mobile device, you will need to download and install the inspection app onto your Android phone or tablet. First, you'll need to ensure that you can install unsigned applications on your device. Open the device settings, find Security, and in Security you'll find the Unknown Sources setting. Make sure this setting is turned on or checked, and you're ready to go. Once you have unknown sources checked, use your browser and navigate to the TrackTreads site that you use to log in. Once you're logged in, use the menu, go to Inspections, and download Android app. You'll see the app begins to download in your top status bar. Once the download is complete, click it to install. It'll give you a list of the privacy and device access, and then click Install. Once the application is installed, you'll be able to find it in your app drawer as Undercarriage Inspection. We're just going to move this to our home screen, and we're ready to go. In the next video, we'll look at loading equipment into the mobile app so that you can perform inspections.